Ito guys, isa pa when it comes to AC. Press natin to. Lalabas yung AC. Every time na nagde-demo po ako ng unit, and then na-mention ko na the aircon is with dual zone. Immediately, some of the customer will ask me, ano ba yung dual zone? Okay? Dual zone means you have the left and the right, and you can adjust po the temperature on a different level. Kung for example, giniginaw po si ma'am on the right side, you can adjust this one po. Ayan, nakita nyo tumaas. So it will be warmer on the right side. Iinit po ng kaunti. So it will be the same po sa left side. Yun po ang dual zone. Dito low means it's around 16 and on 17.5. Kung giniginaw ako, let's say ako, pwede kong ilagay sa half. And then it will be a bit warmer po on my side. So additional info lang po sa lahat. Thank you. Bye-bye.